To get an iPhone ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, we just have to go to the Play Store. Over here, we're gonna use the search option at the bottom of the screen, and then use the search field at the top. Here we can type something like iPhone ringtone or something similar. There we go. And you can find many apps that in theory should allow you to get the iPhone ringtone. In my case, I'm gonna use this one over here. I'm gonna show you how to use this specific app to get the iPhone ringtone, but in case you don't like this app or if it doesn't work for you, feel free to try anything else. I can actually encourage you to do so, to find the app that you are going to be happy with. So we're gonna open it, and the setup is pretty straightforward. Of course, you might see some ads in the meantime, so we need to wait for them to be skipped. Grant all the necessary permissions for the app to make it usable, so that the app can actually change the ringtone for us. Now in here we should be able to, of course, play to have a little preview of the ringtone in order to find out which one we want to use. So once you find the ringtone that you wish to set on your phone, we're gonna tap on these three dots on the right side. There we go. Then tap on the ringtone here at the bottom. Of course, we have an ad again. Alright, let's skip it. And then we should see this message that the ringtone has been set successfully. Just to see if that's really the case, we're gonna go to settings. Over here, proceed to sounds and vibration. And I can immediately see that for my sim number 1, the ringtone has been changed. But we can also go to volume and adjust the ringtone volume to have a listen. In case it didn't change, you want to go to the ringtone option and tap on this plus button in the upper right corner, and you might be able to find the ringtone on this list of available audio devices from your phone. So you should be able to select it to add it to the list, and then you can use it. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.